Great morning student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 4 using mail merge, that is back exercise. Back exercise of this chapter we are going to discuss. Firstly is a filling in the blanks. So our first fill up is the dash tags that we send to all recipient. So that is main document. What is जो डॉक्यूमेंट हम सबके पास भेजते हैं वो क्या होता है हमारा मेन डॉक्यूमेंट. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट फिलअप्स इज द डैश की help us to move between the field while typing data. So when you want to move in one cell to other, then we use tab. But we use tab option. The next is the dash data is organized in a tabular form along with the dash field. So that is field. Tabular form होता है टेबल की फॉर्म में होना. Okay. Now next is a dash mark give an indication that a record is selected. That is tick mark. The data is organized in the tabular form along with the field name in. That is data source. Now we are going to discuss our state true and false. State true or false. So our first true false is main document consisting of mailing list. जो मेन डॉक्यूमेंट है वो मेलिंग लिस्ट लिए होता है. जो मेलिंग लिस्ट होती है बेटा वो रिसिपेंट लिस्ट होती है. सो इसके लिए मेन डॉक्यूमेंट में तो हमारा मेन डॉक्यूमेंट होता है. ओके. सो नाउ दैट इज फॉल्स. आंसर इज फॉल्स. Field is column in the data source that contain the one type of information. That is true. जो field होते हैं, field means column जो होते हैं हम उसमें similar type की information type करते हैं. Okay. Now next is that is true answer. Merge field is a feature that used to combine recipient list with the main document. जो merge field है, merge field is a feature that is used to combine the recipient list with the main document. That is answer is true. Now preview option on the mailing tab display the first record from the data source. जो प्रीव्यू रिजल्ट है मेलिंग लिस्ट में वो फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड को शो करता है. दैट इज ट्रू क्योंकि वो 1 by 1 स्टेप फॉलो होते हैं कि पहले वो फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड को शो करेगा, फर्स्ट नेम के साथ कंबाइन करेगा मेन डॉक्यूमेंट को, फिर सेकंड के साथ, फिर थर्ड के साथ. so many that you use. The two main component required during the mail merge process are the main document and the field, the merge field. So two main component required during the mail merge process. कौन कौन से main document and merge field? नहीं, main document और recipient list होता है ना. So that is a false. So now this thing we have discussed. Now the application based questions we are going to discuss. So first question is Radhika has purchased a brand new luxury car. She want to celebrate her happiness with her friend and relatives. She want to extend the personal invitation to each one them without typing the name address again and again. Which method can she use to fulfill the requirement? That is she can use the mail merge feature. Which feature she can use? She can use mail merge feature. Now second question is Suchitra is an office assistant and handle the all correspondence work of the company. Now this month his company made the 5 new candidate. Where will she add the contact detail in the new client while using the mail merge? तो मेल मर्ज में जहाँ पे हम डिटेल एडिट करते हैं वो हम कहाँ पे एडिट करते हैं, वो हम करते हैं इन द डाटा सोर्स फाइल में. ओके, सो नाउ द टर्न ऑफ MCQ, multiple choice question. So first question is the row dash is the row on the database data sheet which consists the number of field. So that is record. जो रो होती है, रो को हम बेटा रिकॉर्ड बोलते हैं और कॉलम को हम फील्ड बोलते हैं. सो देर इज़ अ रो, सो दैट्स द आंसर इज रिकॉर्ड. नाउ dash is the data item which instruct the Microsoft Word where to insert the data source information in the main document, that is data source and merge field and main document. So data item which the instruct the Microsoft where insert the data source information और main document, जहाँ पे दोनों चीज़ें होती हैं वो क्या होता है, merge field में. Now question number 3, to create a new recipient list, select the radio button under the select recipient section option. There are the जो हमारा क्रिएट न्यू रिसिपेंट लिस्ट होता है, कहाँ से क्या सिलेक्ट करना होता है, टाइप अ न्यू लिस्ट है, किस टाइप की आपकी न्यू लिस्ट है वो हम चूज करना होता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज यूज एन एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट ऑप्शन अलाउ यू टू पिक डाटा सोर्स that is a spreadsheet. So our answer is spreadsheet. Thank you student. I hope you understand all the question answer in detail. So now I hope you understand all things.